Good morning, student. In the previous class, we are seeing the chapter limits, under which we are solving the questions based on the lesson type and factorization type and questions based on some standard result. Okay, student. So today we see some mixed question. These are all types. Okay, let's see. First question is. First question is limit x tends to 0 log 5 plus x minus log 5 minus x by x. Okay, student. So limit x tends to 0 log 5 plus x minus log 5 minus x. This is our question and we have to find the limit of this question. Okay. So first what we will do, we will take limit x tends to 0 log 5 outside 1 plus x by 5 log 1 minus x by 5 and this is x. Okay, student, now limit x tends to 0. We write this log m into n. Okay, so we write log 5 plus log 1 plus x by 5 minus log 5 and minus log 1 minus x by 5 and divided by x. Okay, students, so we are seeing that this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and we get limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by 5 minus log 1 minus x by 5 by x. Okay, student. Now, student, we will separate the limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by 5 by x minus log minus limit x tends to 0 log 1 minus x by 5 by x. Okay, student. Now we will write limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by 5 by x by 5 into 5 and minus log x tends to 0 log 1 plus minus x by 5 by x by 5 into 1 by minus 5. Okay, student. So this term we can write 1 by 5 limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by 5 by x by 5 and minus and minus plus 1 by 5 limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus minus x by 5 and minus x by 5. So this term is 1 and again this term is 1. So our result is 2 by 5. I hope you understand, students. What will be our result? It will be 2 by 5. Okay. Let's see once again, student, what we have done. We have to take the limit x tends to 0 log 5 plus x minus log 5 minus x by x. So limit x tends to 0 log 5 1 plus x by 5 minus log 5 1 minus x by 5 by x. So student, this we can write log m into n, log m plus log n minus log n minus log n by x. Limit x tends to 0 log. This is student, this term will be cancelled. Both are same with opposite sign, so we can cancel it. And log 1 plus x by 5 minus log 1 minus x by 5 by x. So limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by 5 by x minus limit x tends to 0 log 1 minus x by 5 by x. This term is student what? We can write this x by 5 into 5. So this is 1 into 1 by 5 and limit. This is again we are multiplying here with minus 1 by 5. So we can write this. So this is again a log 1 plus x by x. So this is 1, this is 1. So it will be 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. It will be 2 by 5. I hope you understand, students. Okay. So now we see next question. Let's see. Next question is student, limit x tends to e log x minus 1 by x minus e. Okay student, this is limit x tends to e log x minus 1 by x minus e. Okay, so student we take let x minus e is equal to h. So x is equal to e plus h. Now we write limit h tends to 0 log e plus h minus 1 by h. Okay student, we can write this. Now this one we can write student log limit x tends to 0 log e plus h minus log e and divided by h. Now limit h tends to 0. This is log m by log n, so we can write log plus h by e by h. So limit h tends to 0. This is log 1 plus h by e by h. Okay student, now we will write limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h by e by h by e into e. So we write limit h tends to 0 1 by e log 1 plus h by e by h by e. So this is 1 and the value of this is 1 by e. Okay student, the limit x tends to e log x minus 1 by x minus e. So student, we can write this term is h. So x is e plus h. Limit h tends to 0 log e plus h minus 1 by h. And we can write this 1 in the form of log e by h. So limit h tends to 0 log e plus h. We can write log n minus log n. So it will be changing log m by n. So here we are writing log m by n by h. Limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus x by e by h. And this is limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus h by e. And this h we can write h by e into e. So this term will be equal to 1 and this is 1 by e. I hope you understand students. Now we move to see next question. Okay student. So let's see. Our next question is minus log 5 by x minus 5. Okay student, so this is our question and we have to find the limit of this question. So let limit x tends to 5, we can write log x by 5 by x minus 5. Okay student, now we can write this limit x tends to 5, this log 1 plus x by 5 minus 1 by x minus 5. Okay student, now we can write limit x tends to 5 log 1 plus, this is x minus 5 by 5 by x minus 5. Okay, and we are dividing this by 5 and multiply with this 5. So limit x tends to 5, we can add 1 by 5 and log 1 plus x minus 5 by 5 by x minus 5 by 5. Okay student, so this is 1 by 5 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 5. So this will be our answer student. Okay student, I hope you understand. Let's see once again. Limit x tends to 5 log x minus log 5 by x minus 5. Limit x tends to 5 log x by 5 x minus 5. We can write this log m minus log n log m by n, and limit x tends to 5 log. Here we are adding 1 and subtracting 1 and taking this one separately, and this is x minus 5 by 5. So this is log 1 plus x. This whole term is x. Now making this term is as a x. So we are dividing 5 and multiply by 5, and this taking this 1 by 5 outside, limit x tends to 5. The 1 plus this whole term is x, x by x. Okay. So this term is 1 and this is 1 by 5 into 1. So our answer will be what? 1 by 5. I hope you understand friends. Let's see another question. So the next question is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x cube by sin cube x, which is equal to 1. Okay, so limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x cube by, we will multiply and divide by x cube. This is x cube by sin cube x. Okay student, so this is limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x cube by x cube into limit x tends to 0 x by sin x cube. Okay student, now this we can write 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. I hope you understand. Now we take another question. Let's see. Next question is limit x tends to 0 10 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 5 to the power x plus 1 by x tan x. So limit x tends to 0. This we can write 5 to the power x, 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x, 5 to the power x by 1 and x tan x. So limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x common, 5 to the power x minus 1, 5 to the power x minus 1 by x tan x. So limit x tends to 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 to the power x minus 1 by x tan x. Okay student, now limit x tends to 0, we will apply the formula. Okay, so we write limit x tends to 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 by x into limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 by x into limit x tends to 0, x by tan x. Okay student, so this term is log 5 and this is log 2 and this term will be what? 1. So log 5 into log 2, it will be our answer. Okay student, we have factorized this 10, we can write 5 into 2. So we have changed the power of 10 is x. So the power of 5 will be x also, power of 2 will be x also. Okay, so we can write this, taking 2 to the power x common here, we are getting 5 to the power x minus 1, minus 1 again, 5 to the power x minus 1, x tan x. So limit x tends to 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 to the power x minus 1 by x tan x. Now we are separating it. We can write limit x tends to 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 by x. Okay, and to limit x tends to 0 to the power x minus 1 by x and into x and taking limit again. So this term will be log 2, this term will be log 5 and this term will be equal to 1 and this will be log 5 into log 2. I hope you understand. Now we see next question. Next question is limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus x plus 3 to the power minus x minus 2 by x square. Okay student, so this is our question and we have to find the limit of this question. Okay, so we can write limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x 1 by 3 to the power x minus 2 by x square. Limit x tends to 0, we can write 2 to the power x square plus 1 minus 2 into 3 to the power x by x square into 3 to the power x. Okay, now limit x tends to 0, we can write this a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be written at 3 to the power x minus 1 to the power whole square and by x square into 1 by 3 to the power x. So limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x minus 1 by x whole square into limit x tends to 0 1 by 2 to the power x. Now this term we can write what? This is our log of 3. Okay, so we can write log 3 whole square, and this is 1 by 2 to the power 0, which is log 3, and the 1 by 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay student, and this is, so log 3 whole square will be your answer. I hope you understand. Now we move to next question student. Okay. So the next question is limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 3 to the power x by sin 3x. So limit x tends to 0, we can write 2 to the power 3x minus 1 minus 3 to the power x minus 1. Okay, and divided by sin 3x. Okay, now we separate it. Okay student, so we can write this limit x tends to 0 sin 3x, okay, and minus by sin 3x. Okay student, now we make this limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 1 by 3x into 3x by sin 3x. We have multiplied by 3x and divided by 3x, and minus limit x tends to 0 to the power x minus 1 by 3x into 3x by sin 3x. Okay student, so this term what we can write? Log 2 into, and this term will be what? Equal to 1. Okay, so we will write 1 by into 1, and this term will be what? We write limit x tends to 0 by x, and this 3 into 3x by sin 3x. This is log 2, and this is 1 by 3 into 1, and this term will be also 1 when we will take the limit with this. Okay, so we get log 2, and this is log of log of 3. Okay, so this is log of 3. So answer is log 2 minus 1 by 3 log 3. Okay student, so let's see once again what we have done. Limit x tends to 0 to the power 3x minus 2 to the power x by sin 3x. First of all, we have taken -1 here and -1 here. When we open this cell, it will be cancelled. It will be changed in +1, -1 will be cancelled. So limit x tends to 0 to the power 3x minus 1 by sin 3x, and this part with sin 3x. Now we are multiplied and divide this with 3x. What we are seeing that this term is log of 2, and this, when we take the limit with this, it gives us 1 minus this term. Here we are again divide and multiply with 3x. Okay, and taking this 1 by 3 outside here, and this part is equal to log of 3, and this part when we take with the limit, okay, when we apply the limit here, we get 1. So we can write this as a 1 by 3, and this term is log 3. Okay, student. Now log 2 minus 1 by 3 log 3. This will be our required result. I hope you understand. Let's see another question. Our next question is limit x tends to 0 3 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power 3x by x. So limit x tends to 0 3 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 3x minus 1, we can write. Okay, student. So limit x tends to 0 3 to the power 2x minus 1 by x minus limit x tends to 0 to the power 3x minus 1 by x. We are separating this with the limit. Okay, student. Now student, limit x tends to 0 3 to the power 2x minus 1 by 2x into 2, and limit x tends to 0 2 to the power 3x minus 1 by x. Here we write 3x into 3. So student, what we are getting, this term is what? This term is log of 3. Okay, and so this term is our log of 3 into 2. So we write 2 log 3, and this term is again log of 2, so we write 3. So this is log 3 to the power 2 minus log 2 to the power 3. So this is log 9 and minus log 8. And student, this is log m minus log m. So we can write for log m by n. I hope you understand. This is our required answer. Okay. So what we have done in this question, let's say this question was also like previous question, and in this question we have first subtract 1 and add 1, taking negative sign outside, so the sign will be changed, and divided by x. Now student, we are separating it with limit x tends to 0 to the power 2x minus 1 by x minus limit x tends to 0 to the power 3x minus 1 by x. Okay, now this part is what? Here we are multiplying with 2, multiplying with 2 and divide with 2. Now this is a to the power x minus 1 by a into 2, and here again we are applying multiplied with 3 and divided with 3. What we are seeing, this part is limit a to the power x minus 1 by x. Okay, so this is the formula of log 2 into 3. So we can write this, and this is log 3. So we write 3 to the power 2 minus log 2 to the power 3. And this is log 9, and this is log 8, and this will be log 9 by 8. I hope you understand. This will be our required answer. Okay, student? Thank you.